So the construction is over. And look at the street. Look at the road. It looks very nice, doesn't it? See our prior video about the road construction.